The parts came in from Polaris, and I've got a front bumper, the hood, and radiator shroud, and I got a used fender, so I will be needing to paint it. It's a faded. So next we will be taking out the screws from the radiator shroud. We have 3 screws on each side, and we'll put it on the new bumper. Here's the new front bumper. I do have the winch cover and radiator grill on, which I was able to reuse from the wreck. We're still waiting on the left headlight, should be in a couple of days. What's up guys, and now we got the fender back on the RZR. It's nice and dry, so we could start putting the front end back together. The paint didn't turn out as good as I wanted it to. There is a few spots of orange peel on the fender, so we will need to buff this one out. It goes right there. Okay, so we got the dash cover piece on, which all you have is 4 clips around here with 2 bolts in the center. Next we're going to install the half windshield, which is held on by these two brackets on each side. We got these bolts on. After you get all of them started, then you want to go back and actually tighten them. So we got two in there, you can't really tell. And then we got one there, that side. Then we got these little mounts here to secure the rooftop. Okay, so we got the radiator to line up. It's nice and tight. We had to re-glue this nipple with JB Weld. So we're ready for that front bumper.